my family and our subscribers. Today is June 13th, 2014, Friday the 13th. And not only that, but today is, it's going to be a full moon today. So hopefully a black cat does not cross our path anytime today. So anyways, we are on our way to meet my cousin Robbie and his wife at Knott's Berry Farm today. So we are all very excited to go to Knott's, spend the time there. In case you don't know what Knott's Berry Farm is, it is an amusement park with lots of roller coasters and all kinds of fun stuff. So we are excited to go ride some roller coasters and to go see our cousin.
Are you okay?
Okay, we are here. We are entering into Knott's Berry Farm. Knott's Berry Farm. Yes, sir. Yay! This is crazy. Look at everybody pouring into this place.
Hi, welcome. My machine went down. So
Thank you. So the really cool thing about this place at Knott's Berry Farm is that it was one of the first amusement parks here in California, or actually here in the US. And so all of it is like designed for like the Western theme. And so they have like a bunch of like cowboys and Indians and stuff like that. So if you look at the different shops here, like this is a leather shop, and then this is the saloon over here. And we have the miners outfitting department over here. And then we have general merchandise store, and there's like a whole area of this place, and it's so cool. Now, what my cousin is actually doing right now and his wife they are getting some pictures done over here at the picture gallery. And it's like old time photos. So let's go ahead and step on inside and see what they look like. So they wouldn't let me take any pictures inside where they were getting the pictures taken, so I got a still picture instead.
What's your name, honey? Megan. What a pretty name, Megan. That's wonderful. Megan, how old are you, Megan? 9. I was 9 for a year once. That's good. Okay. Now, Megan, what I want you to do is I want you to watch close. The gentleman knew how to do a square knot. You keep an eye on it, too. Now, kids, never play with anything sharp. Never, ever play with anything sharp because you hurt yourself. Never run with scissors. But I'm going to cut this rope in half right here. Megan, watch closer. You keep an eye on that sign right there. Cut the rope in half right there a little bit more. Okay, put the knife away. Don't want to hurt yourself. Remember the square knot like we did before? Right over the left. Left back over the right. Hold tight. Okay, Megan, I want you to pull on that right here. Take that rope and pull. Pull, 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 pull. Pull hard, Megan. Come pull hard. Can you guys see that up there? Everybody can see it right now. You guys can see back in the back. Everybody can see. Hold on to it, Megan. Don't lose it. Okay, is that knot in the middle? Is that knot in the middle? Look around. Is that knot in the middle? No. How about now? Back up here again? I don't know. Is that? Okay, who knows a magic word? Who knows a magic word? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Abracadabra.
Look at that. Knot's gone. Thank you, Megan. Round of applause. My gosh, you guys are wonderful. Here. Just pull. Very good. Okay, stand on the other side. This little thing right here. Okay, this is going to be a lot better than I thought. Okay, let's get something going here. Okay.
Oh boy.
Okay, this is yours. Hold on to that right there. Yeah, this is yours right here. This is for you right there. Okay. Okay, now we got a band. This is going to be so much better. Okay. Now you guys are the rhythm section. Okay. Now you do something off the head if you like that. That's okay. You're rattling and hitting. Okay. Now, everybody goes that. That's very good, man. Just rattle and get it wherever you like. That's I love this. She's working that. That's good. Okay. Now your hands. Yeehaw!
Wine Company. All right, we're going in. Woo! All right, we're going on the train. Going on the train. Good times in here, guys. Good times. Look at all of those tracks in there. There's like 2 or 3 rides worth of tracks in there. Alright, so now we are headed inside of the cemetery because I was telling Faith and Jeremy that there is a live person buried in the cemetery, and if they stand over the tomb, that you can feel the heart beating. So go step on a tomb and see if you can feel the heart beating. You gotta find it. Can you feel it?
Yeah.
How about you, Faith? Can you feel it too?
That's clearly.
This is them right here. They're buried inside of this little tomb area.
Hey, don't jump onto that.
Don't jump on it. You're gonna fall through. Or their hand's gonna reach through the dirt and grab your leg. Faith wants to spend the time to read all of the tombstones to see what they say.
She's going to put up $40 of her own. Daddy's money. She can do it.
Well, I don't think so.
Oh, her money.
My bullets, they ain't slow.
Oh, Faith, did you catch it? All right, open it up.
Oh! All right. Good catch, man. All right, GhostRider, here we come. Our first official roller coaster. Yee-hoo! And go. Oh! He got you.
Check their pants. Everyone want to check their pants. Oh, and I saw you jump too. Like trying to play it off. Oh, I wasn't scared.
All right, here we go. Woo! We're going up. There we go. Woo! Although you guys couldn't see me on the roller coaster, this one here was all of us.
No.
Which one were you, Faith? That guy?
I was.
Yeah, I was her too.
One that has.
So we are having lunch, and look at this amazing meal Faith ordered. It's like French fried nachos. Yum. And my hamburger. Jeremy is having chicken. Robbie's having some kind of hamburger over there in Alla? We don't know yet.
Alla has water.
Alla has water.
I probably salad, but I don't know where's my salad.
That's all they could afford was just a cup of water. Look at those. Oh my gosh, those are amazing.
Yeah, all the water goes there.
Are you guys ready? Faith, are you ready? Are you ready?
Oh yeah.
Are you ready?
It's like surf time.
Am I ready? No!
Hey, you might want to look behind you before you leave.
Hey, you're not ready.
Here we go. We're going down the roaring rapids. Woo!
Turn!
No, no, no! Okay, I gotta turn the camera on so we don't get wet! Oh no, not the mist.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, here we go! Woo! No, 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 no! Woo! I know!
I'm barely wet.
Look at it!
You say you're not wet?
Oh my gosh, that was so fun! Oh, my back is soaked! Okay, we're going on the log ride next. So are you guys having fun?
Yes.
Yeah, how about you, Faith? Are you having fun too?
Always.
And how about you?
When I was him, yeah. You sure you will have fun?
I'm having way fun, and it's not very busy here, so it makes it very pleasant.
Stop.
Oh gosh. See you guys later! Bye! Jeremy, Faith! Hi guys! Alright, here we go! We're going on the log ride! Woo-hoo! Woo! You'll find yourself on YouTube! Yeah, they're gonna be on YouTube! Alright, here we go! ride at the very end, they have a big, huge drop like this. So let me show you guys. So because of that big, huge drop, I can't have my camera and hold on at the same time. So at the very crucial time, I have to hold on with both hands because I'm too afraid to film while we're going down. What did you think about the log ride?
Oh, that was fun.
Free! Train crossing! Alright, so now we are headed over to the stunt show. This one is totally awesome. Oh, inside the little wagon. Getting ready for the show to start. How special! Let's go say hi. Happy trails to you until we meet again. Happy trails to you until we meet again. Look at their faces. They're like, what the heck? She is out of her mind.
I'll have your money, Rick. See, will you take an IOU? No! Oh, what about a Canadian quarter? No! A Disney dollar? No! Nobody wants those. Wait a minute! What? How about another bet, double or nothing? Double or nothing? How much is that? That's like 5 times more. 5 times? Yeah. I bet I can hypnotize you with this here bottle. Okay. Now at the count of 3, you're gonna fall asleep. Watch the bottle. 1, 2, 3, sleep! Hey, Dan, what? This boy's starting to make me mad. Oh, you don't want to go make Rick mad. Why's that? Because when I get mad, I get real ugly. So you must be mad all the time. You get mad a lot. What? Give it! I leave me alone. You're so bad. I don't want you to get out of here. Come on, Dan, get out.
Oh!
Heads up.
It's a crunch.
Go, man. What? Woo! Elmo wins again. All right. Let me get out of here. Whoa. Oh, man. Oh. Hey, come on now. I got the key. Here you go. Get out of here. Well done. I got the key. Protect me. Hey, Daddy. Got the delivery. Hey, look, everybody. I got the key. Come on. What? Give me that key. No. Give me that key right now. No, man. Shut up, everybody. Shut up.
All right, so right now, Rob, Alla, and Faith are on this ride. This is called the Silver Bullet. Jeremy didn't want to go on it, so I'm staying behind with him so then he doesn't have to go on the ride. So here it goes. Watch, you guys. This one is so fun. Your feet are dangling from the bottom. Oh my gosh, look at it. Woo! Crazy girl I have. Here they come. She's up there. Watch my picture. Let's see if she can see me over here. Hey! Woo! How would you guys like to walk around an amusement park all day long with a monkey on your back? Now that's a monkey on your back right there.
Where did you get it? It wasn't fast at all. You should try.
Was it fun?
Absolutely. Yeah. Nice and
It's
smooth.
soft.
It sounds like it's smooth.
Yeah,
Really?
It's so
It just turns and then it's very soft and it doesn't have big
You know that
heels.
feeling how you go up in
no, you don't
it
feel
feels
this.
like you're going down.
It's even pushing you down when you do something.
I like your face is like this the whole time.
How was your face? Show us. How was your face? Good?
Alright, let's go.
You guys, this has been a totally amazing day. The weather has been perfect. There's been hardly any line for any of these rides. It's everything that you can possibly ever imagine in an amusement park. It's been, seriously, the perfect day. Jeremy's making friends with people in line.
The thread getting tighter and tighter. Now your fingers are together. Try that again.
I love how kids can make friends so easily. So awesome. All right, Jeremy, he's gonna do the El Wacko. El Wacko. He won himself an El Wacko hammer.
Hang on.
Oh, great.
Oh! Oh my gosh, that was awesome! He hit the ground with the hammer and came bouncing back up and hit his head. Come on, babe, give it more than that! Come on, babe, give it an El Wacko!
Yeah.
And she got an El Wacko hammer too! Alright, Rob, let's go. Let's see. Let's see what you got. Watch out, guys. Hello.
I have 45. I have more than you.
Let's see what he went an El Wacko. An El Wacko hammer too.
Thank you, sir, for playing. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Oh my gosh. You guys be careful. Hey. Holy cow. You guys are using them as weapons. My goodness. Hey. All right, they're going on the Supreme Scream. Oh my gosh. I will not go on this one. This one's too scary for me. So Jeremy and I are sitting this one out too. There they go. Oh my gosh. Here they go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys, this is just making my heart come out of my body. Oh, I hate this. Look at this. She is so brave. She is so stinking brave, you guys. This is amazing. Look how far this is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. 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 Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! How was it? Was that scary or what? Oh.
The same feeling you have like that is when you jump out of an airplane.
No, it's cool.
But an airplane is funner. Wait. What is this? What is this? We go on the scary ride and come back and you have ice cream. Oh, well deserved.
All right, everybody, that is the end of today's adventure here at Knott's Berry Farm Amusement Park.
awesome.
We had a great time, tons of fun, beautiful weather. And so, yeah, thank you so much for watching our video. So I just want to say one last thing. I love you, friends. I love you, family. And thank you so much for following us all the way to the end of the video. See you guys later. Bye. We got people over here too. You're going to be on YouTube. Bye, guys. Alright everybody, thank you so much for making it all the way here to the end card. If you missed yesterday's video, then please go ahead and click on the video where it says yesterday right next beside it. If you are interested in watching a non-vlog video, then please go ahead and click on that mystery box with the question mark right in the middle. If you like this video, please do not forget to like this video with giving me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below because I love the interaction with you guys. I love reading your comments, and I also love responding to your comments as well. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, and if you like this video and you like this channel, please do not forget to share. Please keep in mind that you can also find me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Google+, and Twitter.